Hello and welcome to Spoken English Studies. Today we are going to be looking at the difference between been and gone. As you can see, both words are past participles and both are used with the present perfect structure. So the main difference between these two words is that when we use been, we are speaking about completed visits, and when we use gone, we are speaking about uncompleted visits or visits that are not finished. For example, I have been to New York. This means that I have visited New York for a holiday, I have enjoyed myself, and then I have returned back to London. Be careful with the pronunciation of been. When we use been in a sentence, it changes to been. So for example, I have been to New York. Now, if somebody has gone to New York, this means that the person has left London and moved to New York maybe, but she has not returned. For example, she has gone to New York to start a new job. As always, thank you for watching. If you like my video, please press like and subscribe for more videos about confusing words. Bye!